Logbook. Started 25/04/2035. Jarvis here. Artificial intelligence of the Star Wars Stellar drone. We're going on a long journey of discovery through our solar system. Today our journey begins here. From our home, Earth. Earth has the following characteristics. Equatorial diameter, 12,756 kilometers. Mass, 6 for 10 to 24 kilograms. Mean distance from Sun, 150 millions of kilometers. Rotation period, 23 hours and 56 minutes. Solar orbit period, 1 year. Surface gravity, 9.8 meters over second square. Surface temperature, 15 Celsius. Our homeworld is the densest of the 8 planets in the solar system. It is also the largest of the 4 terrestrial planets. Today, the Earth is tilted on its axis about 23.4 degrees, producing seasonal variations in climate and weather across the surface of the planet during the course of a year. The Earth's magnetic field is generated within the molten outer core region of the planet and extends outwards to form the magnetosphere, a barrier surrounding the Earth, deflecting particles of the solar wind and protecting the Earth from sun's radiation. Earth's crust together with the outermost parts of the mantle forms the lithosphere. The lithosphere is broken into a series of tectonic plates which float on a more elastic part of the upper mantle. The motion of these parts gives rise to earthquakes and volcanism. The Earth's mantle is a rocky shell which accounts for 84% of the planet's volume. The very uppermost regions of the mantle are the most solid and relatively rigid. The temperature difference within the outer core drives convection currents, with hot liquid metals rising, cooling and then descending back towards the hot inner core. These convection currents power the Earth's magnetic field. Although the temperature in the inner core is thought to be about the same as the surface of the Sun, the extreme pressure prevents it from becoming liquid. We now travel to our satellite, the Moon. The Moon has the following characteristics. Equatorial diameter, 3,476 kilometers. Mass, 7.3 for 10 to 22 kilograms. Mean distance from planet, 384,913 kilometers. Rotation period, 27 days. Orbital period, 27 days. Surface gravity, 1.62 meters over second square. Surface temperature, -23 Celsius. The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite. Next to the Sun, the Moon exerts the greatest influence on the Earth itself, most notably through its effect on Earth's tides. The Moon is the largest natural satellite relative to the size of its primary, having 27% the diameter and 60% the density of Earth. The Moon is larger than Pluto. The current prevailing hypothesis for the origin of the Moon is that it formed as a result of Mars-sized body colliding with newly formed proto-Earth. The material ejected from this impact accreted to form the Moon 4.53 billion years ago. The Moon is the brightest object in the sky after the Sun, although its surface is actually dark, reflecting only 7% of the light falling on it. Moon's current orbital distance causes it to appear almost the same size in the sky as the Sun. The uppermost parts of the lunar crust forms broken surface layers referred to as regolith and megaregolith. Regolith comprises small rocks and dust formed by impact processes and is only a few meters thick. Megaregolith is a layer of highly fractured bedrock several kilometers thick which lies directly under the regolith. Moonquakes have been found to occur deep within the Moon's mantle. These occur with monthly periodicities and are related to tidal stresses caused by the eccentric orbit of the Moon about the Earth. Lunar core is small, with a radius of about 20% the size of the Moon. But now the time has come to leave our Earth system in search of other planets to explore. Here is our goal, Venus. But we'll visit that in the next video. For now, greeting. Here Jarvis. Hi.